Hello everyone, it's a new video with a new site and a new earning ways. So make sure you stay tuned, watch the video until the end. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new on my channel or you've been watching my videos and you haven't subscribed. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys for always supporting this channel. If you are new on my channel, kindly make sure you subscribe, turn on that bell notification so that you will always get notifications anytime I upload any new video and you won't be left out. So my name is Cynthia for those people who are new on my channel, and we do videos or tutorials on how to make more money on internet or how to get some extra income by just joining these free websites without any cost. So if you are here, then let's go guys. So in this video I want to take you through a new site or a new website that can make you or earn you some extra cash. So in this app or this website, you're going to earn through Ton. I hope you know what it is. It's a crypto that you can change into cash, just the way you can do USDT, you can do Ethereum, you can do TRX, you can do Bitcoin. So it's a crypto like any other crypto. So if you're new, don't worry, you don't need to know everything, but you can still do research, or you can ask a question on the comment section in case you have any. And you just learn slowly by slowly. No one was born with all these things. You just give yourself time and go through everything that you need to go through for you to learn. So it's about learning. So in life, learning will never end. You keep on learning new things each and every day. So nobody knows everything. So you get it, guys. So a ton is so here we will earn coins, and they can be okay. They are called bucks. So you can change them as well in tons. So if you want to withdraw, right here, this is the ton. If you want to withdraw, just tap on withdraw, but they have minimal amount that you can withdraw. Ton, minimum ton amount that you can withdraw. So if you want to know all these things, watch this video until the end, understand step by step, because the last part of the video is where I'll reveal everything that is so important on this site that can make you earn more money. So let's go guys. So the first thing, you need a link to join this app or this website. So I'm going to leave the link on the description of the video and also pin it on the comment section. So make sure you watch the video and visit comment section or description of the video for you to get the link. Click on the link, then it will direct you to this page. So this is the first page that will appear. Okay, you'll have to register for an account. Then after registering, this is not the first page that will appear when you first click on the link, to be sure. You'll first have to create an account that is through Telegram. So you have to have a Telegram app. Yeah? To make it right, you first have a Telegram app. And registering is so simple, guys. It doesn't need much. You just need to follow the instructions that you are being given while registering. So you don't need to be in hurry or so. Just take your time, read the instructions, follow the instructions, which are so simple. If you have any difficulty registering, then let me know in the comment section, and I will help you or upload a video doing step by step tutorial on how to do everything from 0 to Z. So if you have registered already and you have account and the account is well verified, you will be able to log into your account, and this is the first page that will appear when you log into your account. You'll be able to see oh, it's dark, let me show you with an arrow. So you'll be able to see earnings on the page. Again, you'll see the quest, you'll be able to see friends and withdraw. So, and at the same time, you will be able to see all these things. So this will count the number of bucks that you have. So you'll be able to see the number of bucks that you have. that you can change into ton and withdraw. And the new task, everyday new task, are also there. You can add them on that addition sign. Then you also have a daily giveaway, which is 5 ton. You can also participate if you want. It's not like compulsory. You can see right here, giveaways, take part in giveaways and get rewards. Then you'll be able to see the next is mini games. Play our games and win rewards. Like we have Wheel of Fortune, you can spin every day, you can mining bucks. So, and again we have this treasurer is coming soon. It's not yet active, so you just need to scroll down, like right here. Every day you sign in, like you can see daily task. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see daily tasks. So like every day you have to log into your account. You just tap on claim, then you can see, you'll see the number of okay, you have to watch this ad for 30 seconds. You can see it right there. Sorry about that, guys. So let us watch this ad. It's just remaining 1 second for the ad to go away. So after that, you're going to do away with the ad. Then it will take us back. You can see right here, receive 2,500 bucks. You can see the number of bucks I'm having on my account has increased. You can see right here. So I've claimed, or I've checked in. So every day you have to come back to your account to check in for you to get 2,500 bucks. It will be immediately added into your account once you've tapped on claim. Then you can also share your link with your friend. You can see right here, if you invite one friend, imagine it's free and it's working everywhere. So you can just get your link. The way to get your link is you click on this place. You'll be able to get a link, or click on share. You'll get your unique link that you've been given while you are registering. And something that you need to do right here again, every day as you click on the check-in, you also click on mine. So it is mining already, so I can claim what I've mined. You can see mining speed is 1200 bucks per hour. You can see right here, I'm just going to claim what I have mined. You can see right here, it has been displayed there and added to the account, right? You can see it is mining. So you can see I can tap on it. If you want to add the amount of bucks you mine, you can click on this bucks, then watch an ad. If you watch an ad for 30 seconds right here, this is what I mean. If you watch an ad here for 30 seconds, they are going to reward you with 0.5 bucks. If you again complete task, they are going to give you this 0.5, and 10 of friends also you can share with them, then they are going to reward you 10%. Minimum speed is 1.00. So you can see you can come back again after every 6 hours. You see, guys, you can also increase the speed right here. If you click on increase the speed, how do you increase the speed? If you click on increase the speed, you can see the instructions there. Upgrade for 9 stairs, you can see, or upgrade with 5 tons. So you can upgrade with 5 tons. It's not compulsory, it's optional. You only increase if you want. If you don't want, there are many ways that you can get free bucks, so that you can exchange them into ton and withdraw. And ton, you can sell your ton or exchange your ton into Bitcoin, or exchange your ton into Ethereum or Solana or USDT, or into dollars or any other currency. You can sell it on Binance, you can sell it on Telegram, you can sell it on any other crypto exchange that you want to exchange it in, or you'd like to. So after that, you also have these options here. Quest, you can see there are other tasks or games that you can play and get more bucks every day. You can see everything, or mining quest, everything is right there. So you can see mining one, you can see if you get 1,000 they'll give you 25,000, and right now I'm just having 26. So if I mine more until it reaches 1,000, they'll give me 25, and so on and so forth. You can see again we have friends. So if you want to know the people who have joined under you, you can see them here, and you can see invite friends. Invite your friend and get up to 100% of their earnings. So you get 100% of everything your friends are earning. So this thing is free. Why don't you share with your family, your brother, sister, friend, enemy, neighbor, church member, village mates, town mates, school mates, anything. So long as you're 18 above, years and above, and the friend too is 18 years and above, they have documents, like you see, you can be able to share with them and they'll be able to get some extra cash here. We are here to make some extra cash, right? This is some things, like these things you can do them while in the office or working anywhere. They don't need time, they don't need much attention, like they don't need, so long as you have the phone, you have the computer, or you have the laptop, or you have the internet, you are good to go. So that's all you need. So just share with your friends. You click on the share, you copy your link right here, or click on the share button. And if you want to claim the earnings from your invitees, so the friends that have joined and your link, you just come on friends here. This is the friends I'm talking about right here. You come on friends, you can see, right? Then right here, then you click on this claim. So you'll be able to see your links right there. Then you click on claim, then that is it. So if you want to copy your link, you just tap on copy, and you can see right here that it is copied to your clipboard. Or you can also share this. You just tap on the share, then you'll be able to share directly to your your social media. It is still the like it is still I can share with my group right there. I can share with them. You can see it has been sent. So simple. It's so simple. You can just copy the link and go to your friend's inbox, then share the link with your friend inbox. Then if you want to withdraw, this is the thing. You can see right here what you have. I'm having 16,600,000 bucks, and you can see it is equal to 0.00117 ton, and you have to connect your account. If your account is not connected, you'll have to click on connect, but mine is connected already, so I don't need to connect it. If I click on here, this will disconnect it. So you can see your payment history. If you've done withdrawals before, you can see the history here, up to 10 payments. And guys, this is something that I'm sharing because I'm so sure 100%, because I've seen a lot of withdrawals, so you can join it too. And another thing is the minimal amount you can withdraw, a minimal amount of ton you can draw is 0.20 ton. So I'm going to show you the worth, or how much is ton as we speak now on Binance. Let's go to Binance and see. So you can connect your Binance account. You can connect your Bitmart, OKX, KuCoin, Bitget. We have many of them, or even Telegram itself. You'll still be able to exchange your tons into cash or any other crypto you want to exchange it with. So let's go to Binance and see the price of ton at this as we speak now, right? Let's go. So this is Binance. Let's see. I have it right here with me. You can see my Binance. My Binance is here. So let's look for ton right here. We are going to type TON. So this is ton against USDT. So let's see how much it is. This is spot. So one ton right now is $2.85. So because one USDT is equal to $1, right? You can see ton has been doing good. Previously it was 3 point something, and when it was launched, it went to And when was this? Let me see the date. This was on 1st April. Tone was $4.2. That was the highest point, and this will play this time too. So you can see it has been going down, up, down, up, down. And the time it was launched, let me show you something. The time this coin was launched, it went up to $7. You can see 7.269. So you can as well get it for free, keep it for like after 2 months or 3 months, wait it for to go back to 7 or more, or even 5, then sell it. So it's simple, guys. You don't need much. You don't need, like, this is something which is free. There is no force. Everything is free. So make sure you join, make sure you share with your friends, make sure you like, subscribe to my channel, watch more of my videos, turn all that notification bell so that you'll be getting notifications anytime I upload any video. If you watch until this moment, thank you so much, guys. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends. See you soon.